Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Six and welcome to journalism. So just a couple of quick things. I wanted to introduce myself to you. First thing I'll do is I will give you my contact information. It is here, my extension is 7249. And the other thing I wanted to really quick give you information about is for journalism, we are an elective. So we will only meet one time per week, and that's going to be on Thursdays from 2:15 to 2:55. So that is a required Class Connect session for you guys. The other thing I wanted to let you know is during the first week, kind of what to expect. We will have an orientation. So when you log into that class on the first day of school, you're going to see our announcements. So we'll have announcements every week, and it'll have your weekly schedule, and it'll also have a pacing guide for you to know when assignments are due in our class. But the first thing you should know is on Monday, all students are going to be with their advocates in orientation in the morning and in the afternoon. So on Monday, you definitely will be not working in any of your classes. You'll be spending time with your advocate. On Tuesday and Wednesday, that's when you'll be jumping into your classes, and that's when you're going to come see me. Tuesday is the day that you will come see me for orientation at 2:15 for journalism. Normally on Thursdays, but you will be doing map testing on Thursday and Friday, the first week of school, so you will not see me at our normally scheduled time. So you'll be doing orientation with me on at 2:15 on Tuesday. And then on that first week, what I would like for you to do is going to be super light. You're just going to go through the classroom, click through a lot of the material, and then there's only one assignment to complete, and it's on the discussion board, and it is a get to know you assignment. And when you go into the class and you look at the content, you'll be able to see that. It will show you the orientation week and where you will start here on orientation. And then next week, we're going to jump into Unit 1. So I'm looking forward to having you all in class this semester. We are a semester course, so I will only have you through the January 7th. But I am definitely looking forward to seeing you guys on the first day of school, and enjoy the rest of your summer.